Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York City. Explore the towering skyscrapers, bustling streets, and endless possibilities. Sit back, relax, and soak in the mesmerizing aerial views of this iconic metropolis.
Hey there, legends! Recently, a fan asked if I could show her how to create a video intro that goes, "Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York City." So today we're diving into that topic. I'm going to use two of the hottest tools right now, Deepseek Deepthing R1 and ChatGPT O3 Mini Reasoning. Yep, you guessed it. For today's experiment, I'll feed both tools the same prompt. They'll generate AI image prompts, animation prompts, and more. Let's see which one really stands out. If you're curious, stick around until the end of the video. I'll also share my personal thoughts on everything. I hope this video sparks some ideas and helps you level up your YouTube video game. All right, enough chatter. Let's get started.
Oh, almost forgot, if you need a fully monetized YouTube channel, check out this website, Zenthora. Also upload for you. From writing to editing to posting, Zenthora will run your account for you. Good, right? Be boss. Find the link in the description.
First up, we use ChatGPT O3 Mini Reasoning. I type in, introducing 10 of the most beautiful, stunning, and iconic photography locations in New York. After a quick 5-second think, ChatGPT gives me 10 famous spots. Then I type, "You are a YouTube video creator. Please help me generate a Welcome to New York City video featuring these 10 breathtaking photography locations." It should be about 30 seconds. Give me AI-generated image prompts for each scene and an animation prompt for each image. Each prompt must have 4 to 5 details, including stunning bird's-eye views, aerial views, horizontal POV shots, and bottom-up POV shots. Let's see what it comes up with. After another 6-second think, it outputs image prompts and animation prompts for every location. Pretty cool, right? Now let's check out Deepseek. I enter the same prompt and wow, Deepseek takes its time, thinking for 29 seconds, doing some online searching, and eventually giving me 10 gorgeous locations. Surprisingly, its list is a bit different from ChatGPT's. Anyway, I move on to the next same prompt. This time, Deepseek really ruminates, taking a whopping 109 seconds, but its output is impressively detailed with both image and animation prompts. So, which set of prompts do you like better? Time for a side-by-side test. I use the same AI image generator, Piclumen, to see how each prompt performs. First, check out the images from ChatGPT's prompts. I generated these ahead of time. You can compare them with the prompts shown on the right. Now, let's see the images from Deepseek's prompts. Which set of images looks better to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Oh, and by the way, I've started a new WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description, so come join our discussion. Alright, next up, the animations. I used Minimax Hailuo AI for these. First, here's the animation from ChatGPT's prompts, pre-generated, with the prompts on the right for comparison. Then here's Deepseek's animation. Which one do you think has more flair? Hold on a sec. I almost forgot the main point. I'm not just comparing these two tools, I'm showing you, my awesome fans, how to make a video. I'll use these video clips to put together a quick video. Here's the super simple, fast method I use. Download a related video from YouTube using Y2 Meta. Open CapCut and import your media. Drag your media onto the timeline, separate the audio, then delete the video so only the audio remains. Next, drag in your video clips. Since it's a shorts video, just cut multiple clips for quick transitions. Watch how I do it. Finally, add a filter and some text. And voila, the intro is ready. If you've watched this far, you've learned the basics. It's pretty simple, right? If you're into this niche, get started now. At the end of the video, I share my personal thoughts on Deepseek versus ChatGPT. First off, apologies. I don't think my prompts were perfect, so the outputs weren't ideal. But I have to say, when it comes to deep thinking, Deepseek really goes the extra mile, almost like it's really in the zone, while ChatGPT feels a bit surface level. For AI image prompts, Deepseek's results feel more authentic and immersive. You almost feel like you're really traveling. The only downside, it sometimes says, "The server is busy, please try again later." But hey, it's free, so we just deal with it. On the other hand, ChatGPT is lightning fast, but focuses so much on the scenery that it misses the human touch, making its images look more like city promo videos. As for the animations, maybe I overloaded them with too many instructions. ChatGPT's animations come off as a bit stiff, while Deepseek's are a tad better, though still not perfect. But no worries. Since it's a shorts video, mixing plenty of clips together works just fine. Both tools are awesome and can really boost your creative process. So which one suits you best? Let's chat in the comments. That's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, and have you tried that cool YouTube feature? I definitely recommend you give it a shot. Alright, legends, see you in the next video. Good luck.